26 investment projects were signed Thursday at the 2023 Shanghai Global Investment Promotion Conference with a total contract value of 67.4 billion yuan. The one-day conference was attended by many global companies, demonstrating the city's strong appeal as an investment destination.
Shanghai is a very important city, is one of the top leading cities of China. So, of course, for us, in terms of investment, it's important. Like I said, we have an R&D center. We are actively researching breakthrough innovation. So, we will continue to invest.
We are now planning to relocate the global headquarters to Shanghai. So we are actively engaged with the ecosystem and discussing with partners and downstream people to expand our base here. I think Shanghai has excellent opportunity. It's a fertile.
我们在上海，其实我们的工作就是招商，那么把一些国际的产业啊。一些投资人我们引进上海，另外我们有另外一个工作，这几年也发生了，我们是把上海的一些企业到外国，为他们的拓展、全球性的发展呢，我们呢要为他们提供服务。